Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 best oscilloscope multimeters. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, OWON HDS 120 Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. Specifications. Brand name, OWON. DC current, 200 μA to 10 amperes. AC current, 200 μA to 10 amperes. AC voltage, 20 volts to 750 volts. DC voltage, 20 volts to 1000 volts. Display type, digital display. Display, 2.8-inch LCD. Frequency, 200 Hz to 20 MHz. Battery, 18,650 lithium battery. Dimensions, 9.3 cm, 4.15 cm, 18.8 cm. Product number 2, BSIDE Handheld Oscilloscope. Specifications. Brand name, BSIDE. Model, 07. Display size, 3.0 to 4.9 inches. Display resolution, 480 by 320. DIY supplies, electrical. Bandwidth, 25 MHz. Digital channels, 2. Display, 3.98-inch TFT full view color screen display. Product number 1, Multi-Instrument Dual-Channel Oscilloscope. Specifications. Brand name, OWON. Model number, ZT703S. Real-time sampling rate, 280 MSA/s. DIY supplies, electrical. Digital channels, 2. Bandwidth, 50 MHz.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.